National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Morris County in northern New Jersey until 9:30 p.m. At 8:35 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms. These severe storms extended from Mendon to Millington, moving east at 40 miles per hour. These storms are capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. Severe thunderstorms will be near Madison and Florida. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Sunday evening for northeast Maryland and New Jersey and eastern Pennsylvania. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:30 p.m. for the following county: Morris County, New Jersey,